to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. So without further ado, let's begin the show with the top headlines of the day. Kangana Ranaut attacks international singer Rihanna for talking about India's farmer protests. Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ishan Khattar work out together in Udaipur on the sets of Phone Booth, ask Katrina Kaif to join. Kangana buys 4 luxury apartments for her siblings and cousins in Chandigarh and makes their dream come true. Are Vicky and Katrina playing matchmakers for siblings Sunny and Isabel? कंगना ने फिर लिया है सोशल मीडिया पे पंगा। कंगना ने इंटरनेशनल R&B स्टार रियाना से कहा, सिट डाउन यू फूल। रियाना ने एक न्यूज को शेयर करते हुए पूछा कि लोग इंडिया के फार्मर प्रोटेस्ट के बारे में बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं। जहां दिलजीत दोसांझ और शिबानी डांडेकर ने रियाना के पोस्ट की तारीफ की, वहीं कंगना ने उनको रिडिक्यूल करते हुए कहा कि रियाना को चुप बैठना चाहिए। कंगना रनौत और कंट्रोवर्सीज अक्सर हैंड इन हैंड चलती है। The star is known for expressing her opinions on social media without too many filters. And after creating a furor with her comments following Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, the actor is now actively commenting against the ongoing farmers' protests. She has also got into a nasty social media spat, attacking Punjabi actor-singer Diljit Dosanjh and colleague Priyanka Chopra Jonas over their support to these protests. But with increasing international attention on this developing crisis, लगता है कंगना आने वाले दिनों में काफी और पंगे लेने वाली है। Celebrated R&B singer Rihanna posted a news story on her social media page which spoke about the government's internet blockade in and around New Delhi. Rihanna ने इस न्यूज आइटम को शेयर करते हुए लिखा, Why aren't we talking about this? #farmers protest. Rihanna is the latest in a long line of celebrities जिन्होंने farmers के इस protest को support किया है। इससे पहले celebs like Diljit Dosanjh, Priyanka Chopra, Richa Chadda and Swara Bhaskar have shared posts supporting the farmers in their agitation against new farming laws जो उन्हें मंजूर नहीं है। रियाना के पोस्ट को दिलजीत दोसांझ और शिबानी डांडेकर ने अपने सोशल मीडिया पेजेस पे शेयर किया विद कमेंट्स एक्सप्रेसिंग देयर हैप्पीनेस एट हर सपोर्ट फॉर दिस कॉज। But Kangana reacted to the singer's post and commented, "No one is talking about it because they are not farmers. They are who are trying to divide India so that China can take over our vulnerable broken nation and make it a Chinese colony much like USA. Sit down, you fool. We are not selling our nation like you dummies." कंगना इससे पहले भी दिलजीत और प्रियंका चोपड़ा को इसी इशू पे कई बार अटैक कर चुकी है। And she had also posted a video criticizing the tractor rally protest where a group of farmers entered the Red Fort in Delhi. Following this violent turn of events, the Home Ministry suspended internet services in Delhi border areas and authorities have built massive multi-layer blockades to prevent farmers from entering into New Delhi. इन measures को काफी negative press coverage मिला है। With many public figures including Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau criticizing the crackdown and suspension of internet services. The Ministry of External Affairs has now responded to the growing international attention being given to the farmer protests and issued a stern statement asking celebrities to refrain from making inflammatory comments and forming opinions based on insufficient information. One can only hope that this crisis will be solved soon in a way that is beneficial to all those involved. Siddhant Chaturvedi shared a hilarious video of himself and Ishaan working together and asked Katrina Kaif to join the fun, prompting a fan to say कि सलमान खान उनकी लोकेशन जानना चाहते हैं. Katrina Kaif was spotted only recently in an unusual goth-looking inspired black outfit as she joined Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ishaan for the shoot of Phone Booth, which is rumored to be a horror comedy. Katrina has never worked with either of her two male co-stars before. But if their banter on social media is anything to go by, it looks like the three are having a blast together.
It wasn't me.
Siddhant and Ishaan Khattar seem to be enjoying their bromance on the sets of Phone Booth. The two have been sharing pictures and videos of themselves having a blast as they rehearse their dance moves and work out together, but they are making sure unki senior co-star Katrina Kaif doesn't feel left out. While they added Katrina digitally in a picture, now they have invited her to join their workout. Siddhant, who was hugely appreciated for his performance in Gully Boy, was busy filming for Shakun Batra's untitled film last year after lockdown restrictions lifted. Ishaan has two online releases, his film Khali Pili and the web series A Suitable Boy, both released on streaming platforms last year to widespread praise. Siddhant and Ishaan are currently in Udaipur, where they are filming for Phone Booth. In a new video Siddhant has posted on social media, he and Ishaan start off seriously by stretching and doing push-ups. But soon they start goofing around, using resistance bands as props to pull one another back from running fast. एक पॉइंट पे ईशान सिद्धांत पे पेपर बॉल्स भी फेंकते हुए दिखाई दिए हैं. Siddhant made sure the film's leading lady Katrina Kaif didn't feel left out as he tagged her in his caption for the hilarious video. Inviting Katrina to join them, Siddhant wrote, "Come work out with the boys." Katrina, who has a great sense of humor, responded to Siddhant's post and said, "Awesome! You guys have done more shooting than me today." She added another comment to the post and wrote, "Ishaan Khattar, this is creative genius." While most fans found this video hilarious, one fan decided to troll the threesome and remarked कि सलमान खान उनकी लोकेशन जानना चाहते थे.
हेलो दोस्तों, ये भाड़े के भेड़िए.
Well, it is refreshing to see actors working together with positivity and mutual respect.
Oh, nice!
Here's hoping this translates to great on-screen chemistry as well. कंगना बिलीव्स कि अपनी फैमिली के लिए जितना किया जाए उतना कम है. कंगना ने अपनी बहन रंगोली, भाई अक्षत और 2 कजिन्स को चंडीगढ़ में 4 लग्जरी फ्लैट्स गिफ्ट किए हैं. कंगना ने अपने भाई बहनों को ये ड्रीम होम्स देने के लिए 4 करोड़ खर्च किए हैं. उनके गिफ्ट किए गए ये फ्लैट्स चंडीगढ़ के एक प्लश लोकेलिटी में है विद प्लेंटी ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड मॉल्स अराउंड. Kangna may be controversy's favorite child on social media, but at home, she is the generous and protective sibling, always going out of her way to help and support her siblings and extended family. The actor, who spent several months of the lockdown in Manali with her family, personally decorated her sister Rangoli's home in the hills and apparently bore the costs of her brother Akshat's lavish wedding a few months ago. Though she started with virtually nothing, Kangna has made sure to share the fruits of her success with those who have been a source of support through all her ups and downs. कंगना ने अपनी फैमिली के लिए मनाली में एक लग्जरी घर तो बनाया ही है, लेकिन लाइक मेनी चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम स्मॉल टाउन्स इन हिमाचल प्रदेश, उनके भाई बहनों का भी सपना था कि उनका भी किसी बड़े शहर में घर हो। कंगना ने आज अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स का ये सपना भी पूरा कर दिया है। The actor, who is filming for back-to-back projects and is currently shooting for Dhakad, also shared this good news on her social media page. 2023 में रेडी होने वाले इन 4 लग्जरी फ्लैट्स के बारे में बात करते हुए कंगना ने कहा, I want to encourage people to share their wealth with their family. Remember, happiness multiplies when it's shared. They are beautiful luxury apartments under construction that will be ready in 2023. But I am very fortunate that I could do this for my family. कंगना has chosen flats जो चंडीगढ़ के एयरपोर्ट एरिया में हैं और इन फ्लैट्स के आसपास कई शानदार रेस्टोरेंट्स और मॉल्स भी हैं, जहां उनके सिबलिंग्स अपनी फैमिलीज के साथ एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। इससे पहले भी कंगना ने अपनी फैमिली के लिए अपना प्यार कई तरह से दिखाया है। उन्होंने अपनी बहन रंगोली का कुल्लू में बनाया नया घर अपने हाथों से सजाया है और अपने भाई अक्षत की शादी का सारा खर्चा खुद उठा के उसे उदयपुर में एक ड्रीम वेडिंग दिया। लॉकडाउन के दौरान उन्होंने कई महीने अपने पेरेंट्स, सिबलिंग्स और एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली के साथ अपने मनाली के बंगलों में बिताए, जहां she would often share heartwarming pictures with her sister Rangoli, her parents and her beloved nephew. Looks like बॉलीवुड में पंगा लेने वाली कंगना अपनी फैमिली के लिए हर खुशी बटोरना चाहती है और उनके इसी नेचर ने उन्हें अपनी फैमिली का फेवरेट बनाया है। Vicky Kaushal may be in a not so secret relationship with Katrina Kaif. But it looks like वो अपने भाई सनी की मैच मेकिंग कटरीना की बहन इजाबेल के साथ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। From twinning in matching hoodies to being spotted outside each other's homes, Katrina and Vicky are having a hard time keeping their rumored relationship under wraps. But now it seems that Vicky is trying to play Cupid and help his brother Sunny, who is nursing a broken heart, to find love again. Take a look. Vicky and Katrina have been reportedly seeing each other for a while now. And though lockdown में दोनों lovebirds एक दूसरे से अलग थे, Vicky has been spotted outside Katrina's home quite a few times ever since restrictions were lifted.
The tutorial on how to make an omelette. Izzy, could you talk us through the steps? No!
जिसका लड़का लंबा उसका भी बड़ा काम है। पंखे साफ करवा लो, स्टूल का क्या काम है। वाह वाह वाह।
अगर ग्रेपवाइन की माने तो विकी अब कटरीना के साथ अपने कनेक्शंस डबल करना चाहते हैं। The rumored couple is reportedly trying to set up their siblings, Sunny and Isabel, who are both also single and ready to mingle. Vicky has been encouraging Sunny to get friendly with Katrina and her family, but he is most keen कि वो Isabel को डेट करने के बारे में सोचे। सनी अपने को स्टार शर्वरी वाघ को डेट कर रहे थे एंड ही हैज बीन गोइंग थ्रू अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम विद वर्क एंड हिज पर्सनल लाइफ थैंक्स टू द लॉकडाउन एंड हिज रिलेशनशिप गोइंग कपूर। कटरीना भी अपनी बहन की लव लाइफ में इंटरेस्ट दिखाते हुए इस मैच मेकिंग को सपोर्ट कर रही है एंड मे बी दैट्स व्हाई द फोर रिपोर्टेडली स्पेंट न्यू ईयर्स ईव टुगेदर एज वेल। Well, we are all for double dates and lots of celebrity spotting. But we just hope कि ये कोई मीडिया अटेंशन पाने का तरीका नहीं, but एक genuine love story बने। जितनी ड्रामेटिक लव स्टोरीज हमारे स्टार्स ऑन स्क्रीन पोर्ट्रे करते हैं, उतने ही थिएट्रिकल उनके ऑफ स्क्रीन रिलेशनशिप्स होते हैं। Bollywood has seen some epic off-screen romances between movie stars. And while some stories had a happily ever after, others ended on quite a sour note for both the couple and those around them. Bollywood is almost synonymous with rumor mills and gossip. We are constantly hearing stories of stars and co-stars dating each other, hooking up or breaking up. But while film set romances are as old as the business itself, sometimes B-town couples in serious relationships end up having ugly breakup, thanks to one of the partners developing cold feet or dancing to a third party's tunes. Here are some of the big Bollywood breakups जिनके explosiveness की गूंज हमें आज भी सुनाई देती है। Akshay Kumar and Raveena Tandon, Shilpa Shetty, Priyanka Chopra and Rekha. Akshay Kumar is now a happily married man. लेकिन एक वक्त था जब वो बॉलीवुड के सबसे फेमस कैसनोवा थे। Akshay was rumored to be in a fairly serious relationship with Raveena Tandon before Raveena Tandon broke up with him because of his infidelity. Akshay then went on to date Shilpa Shetty and even reportedly had an affair with his senior co-star Rekha before marrying Shilpa's then best friend Twinkle Khanna. There were strong rumors of Akshay and Priyanka being a tad too fond of each other. Grapevine has it that Twinkle had to forbid him from working with Priyanka and the two have never been seen even exchanging pleasantries after that. Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif. Ranbir Kapoor was notorious as a playboy in the initial years of his career. Ranbir dated Deepika Padukone for almost 2 years before they had a rather nasty breakup over him allegedly two-timing her with Katrina Kaif. Ranbir and Katrina were then in a relationship for 6 years and even moved in together, sparking marriage rumors. But sadly, the two stars parted ways too and had a rather bitter falling out. The actor then started dating Katrina's former bestie and Brahmastra co-star Alia Bhatt, whom he is planning to marry really soon. Hopefully, this relationship is for keeps and Ranbir भी वक्त के साथ सुधर गए हैं. Kareena and Shahid. Kareena and Shahid were in a relationship for almost 5 years and worked together on multiple films before calling it quits during the making of Jab We Met. Their breakup sent shockwaves through the industry given how serious they seem to be about each other. But Shahid and Kareena have always spoken respectfully about each other and Kareena even gave him credit for convincing her to play Geet in Jab We Met. Karisma Kapoor and Abhishek Bachchan. This was another high-profile match, not just between two Bollywood actors, but also two prestigious families, the Kapoors and the Bachchans. Karisma and Abhishek had been dating for almost 5 years, after which they announced their engagement on Amitabh Bachchan's 60th birthday. But unfortunately, something went very wrong, and the two went their separate ways. There have been many reasons given over the years, including Karisma's mom not being sure about Abhishek's future prospects. But the two have kept a dignified silence on the whole issue. Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
Hi Tiger Shroff, I'm Ayansh. I'm your biggest fan. I love you.
Tiger Shroff ने जीत लिया है इंडिया का दिल. The handsome and charming Tiger, who enjoys a lot of popularity amongst kids as well as adults, responded in the sweetest way to an adorable video from a little fan who confessed his love for Tiger.
Hi Tiger Shroff, I'm Ayansh. I'm your biggest fan. I love you.
Tiger Shroff has steadily built his brand in Bollywood as an action star who also dances like a dream. Tiger's sculpted physique, great on-screen presence is complemented by his innocent boyish looks and soft-spoken demeanor that makes him very popular amongst children as well. It's no surprise then that kids idealize him as a superhero and think of him as their favorite star. वैसे तो टाइगर को हर रोज लाखों करोड़ों मैसेजेस आते हैं from fans around the world. But it looks like the handsome actor particularly loved a short video his young fan had sent him while wearing a Spider-Man costume. वीडियो में टाइगर के क्यूट से फैन बहुत innocently कहते हैं,
Hi Tiger Shroff, I'm Ayansh. I'm your biggest fan. I love you.
Tiger shared this video on his social media handle and responded in an adorable way by saying, Hi Ayansh, I'm your biggest fan too. I love Spidey, and added a heart emoticon. टाइगर ने जिस ह्यूमिलिटी और सिंसियरिटी से एक छोटे से बच्चे को खुश किया, उससे सोशल मीडिया बहुत इम्प्रेस्ड है. Many people complimented the actor for making the little boy's dream come true by responding to him. Tiger's post received comments like, Superb, sir. Wow, lucky fan.
Hi Tiger Shroff, I'm Ayansh. I'm your biggest fan. I love you.
But while he is not winning all the popularity contests, Tiger has been busy with the release of the acoustic version of his latest single, Casanova. The star, who recently started dabbling in his passion for music, had released two songs, Unbelievable and Casanova. After the success of Casanova's original track, the actor also released an acoustic version of the song. Tiger's song has received lots of praise from his fans, but closer home, his mom Aisha Shroff, sister Krishna, and rumored girlfriend Disha Patni also shared praise on the actor for his musical talent. Krishna ने कहा कि ये उनका favorite version है, while mom Aisha and lady love Disha thought the acoustic version was just amazing. लेकिन जहां टाइगर अपने गाने के साथ busy है, Disha shared a throwback photo of herself from one of her 2 holidays in the Maldives that she allegedly took with Tiger last year. Disha ने अपना एक bikini pic post करते हुए लिखा, Missing the sun and sand. Looks like it's time for the next holiday separately, but saath for this couple. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your comments and views in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platforms. Social media se yaad aaya, go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities round the clock. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now. You guys stay home and stay safe.